Sir, I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, sir, to participate in the short discussion on Raitu Bharosa, sir. Sir, but the fact is that Honorable Leader of the House and Chief Minister Mr. Revant Reddy Sahab had spoken on this Raitu Bharosa as well, farming sector as well. And he's also spoken on the state finances also. So I'm really now confused, sir, to where to start and what to say, sir. But sir, before going on Raitu Bharosa, I would like to come on record and say that yes, this clarification was required and needed regarding the finances of the state. And you have given it, sir. And the Honorable Finance Minister Saab had failed, sir. Sir, this is why, I repeat, sir, this is why I was always demanding that the F1, F2, F3 statement as per the rule should be tabled. This is why I was saying that D1 to D10 should be tabled. BRS used to never table this, sir. And the corporation loans never used to be reflected, sir. This is the real fact, sir. But to begin with, sir, I would like to just clarify first, sir, on one important thing, sir. Please, through you, I request the Honorable CM Saab to not to take me wrong, sir. Sir, I was hearing when you started talking about the loans, you had said that in last 60 years, 72,000 crores bache hue hai. Sir, let me clarify and say that, sir. Sir, this 72,000 crore depth, Honorable Leader of the House said, is not correct, sir. Sir, this is not the real depth, sir, because I am in this house from 90s, sir, late 90s. Sir, loan has been taken for 5 years, for 10 years, and this 72 is after repaying the loans and the interest. This was the amount, sir. This needs to be corrected, sir. कि लोन लिए खत्म हो गया. अब जैसा अब आप बताएं कॉर्पोरेशन के लोन्स होने दियो या स्टेट फाइनेंसेस के लोन्स है,